that love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me. Now we're one with the sun over our heads, and at night we'll be the stars. We can go any place that we want to. I don't care if that's too far. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me.
Let's go. Good boy. Which way am I going to go? This way. Whoa. No, abort. Hey. Oh, what an expert. Almost slipped. Okay, right now I'm 20 centimeters away. Maybe 30? No, 20. I'm so close. This is so amazing. Wow. So much wow. I'm so close. A few centimeters away. 20 centimeters. This beautiful goanna here. His claws. He's got yellow and light blue markings. Gorgeous. Cute. My goodness. It's alright. It's okay. I won't touch you again. Big tree. How? Oh, cool. Ankle's got me. Can't move. Ah! Oh, it smells good here. What are you doing, boy? What are you doing? Come here. Good boy. Wow. That was way more hectic than intended. Smells like Christmas. Rosemary? What is that? Well, 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 we meet again. I wonder what the actual story is here. Like, that would have been a seriously crazy ride. Seriously. Some blokes actually have tried to come down here, but they turned around, they turned back. Yeah, but obviously that car made it all the way down here. And, yep, that is a prime example of what will happen if you attempt to come down here, especially in a vehicle like that. What were they thinking? Hopefully no one was hurt. It looks pretty devastated. That car is Devo. Totes Devo. Oi! Oh! Good save! Good save! Good save! Oh, that was such a good save. Come here, boy. What are you doing? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, we survived. Yeah. Warrior. Soldier. Right here. Right here. Here. Here now. Boom. Pretty. Oh, where's that yowie? I seriously am wondering if, what if? What if? It was just it was a huge sound, way larger than a kangaroo. Like, I've seen some massive kankers. A kangaroo. Like, I've seen some massive kankers. And the sound was just huge. It could have been a tree, but it would have had to have been a very large, tree. You know, like, yeah, but then, like, how would a tree just fall? What was that sound yesterday? How? How? That has been snapped by something. Something or other. It's a good thing to remember. If you're ever feeling stressed, down, angry, whatever it is, think back to a time when you were at a place where you really loved it there. Or you still do, no doubt, of course you do. A place that makes you happy to think about, to remember. And just think, just realize and know that it's there, like in this moment it's there. Even if you're not. In fact, you are. Right there, now. The mind doesn't actually know the difference between a dream and reality. I think we are going to explore across there. It's going to take us to another mountain. Waterproof. No way. Yowie. Oh, this is freaking amazing. This is I am jungle, rainforest, in all its glory, wild and free, shedding the old and glowing the new, tall, strong, tall and strong, but able to bend and flow and flourish. What is that bird? What are you? Sorry, boy. Let's get it. Not the bird, just life in general, in nature, baby. Oh, wow, this is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Oh, what a privilege, what a privilege. I need to take a moment. Hey boy, come here. Blown away. Blown away with this place. This place is a secret. It's sacred and it's a secret. Secret, sacred. Gratitude. I've been to a lot of forests and a lot of rainforests, quite a few, but this place is like it's just on another level. It's just so beautiful. Just so beautiful. Does my face expression portray that? No, it doesn't. What I want you to do is get yourself, if you can, please, if you have the opportunity, get yourself to some rainforests or just a forest. Buy some water, even by a river. Just get yourself out there. It's a must. I can't even speak how much of a must and how beneficial and just how important it is for you, for us all, and how much you'll benefit from it in so many ways. Yeah, get it. Get it. Now get to it. Okay? Okay. Good. I'm proud. Oh, shots everywhere. Shots galore. Not drinks. Not drink shots. Shots. Photography shot. Filming shots. Almost fell over. The story of my life. Well, I just screamed, so the Yowie will be fully, totally, wholeheartedly aware of where I am. Pretty sure it's, if it is here, if it is a thing, if there is one here, where's my speech gone? I'm not sure. Too excited. This place. Whoa, what the heck is that tree? Where was I? Yeah, the Yowie. Yeah, it'll know where I am, but pretty sure it knew. If it didn't know, it's too jungly for the camera to pick it up. You got to get out there, people. You got to experience This place is like a storybook, magical, faraway tree, topsy-turvy land. My goodness, I couldn't have even imagined a place like this. Oh, seriously, almost stacked it then. Like, that would have been a bad stack, a bad fall. Wouldn't have been good. But I saved it. What are those marks on the tree? What? What are they? What are they? What are they? What are they from? Is that part of the tree? That must be part of the tree. Naturally. Is it? I'm feeling spooked. They're just there. They're big grooves. They're like. Yeah, I started this video to talk about the stack and to, say this has got to be another video. It's going to be another video. Like, I can't stop filming, obviously. My goodness. And then I saw that. Is it part of the tree growth or what? Could have been done by a human, but why? This doesn't look like it's been done by a human. That looks natural. But it doesn't. That looks strange. I was going to say suspicious, suspect, but it's more strange. I figured it out. I figured out where I am and what those marks are. I have entered Jurassic Park. Oh God. Going to need a bigger boat. Oh, where's my pepper spray? Of course I left it at the top. Come on, boy, back up we go. Na 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 na. Bum 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 bum. Now that's a dino pretty feather. I did see one. Don't fall in the dinosaur print. Bum 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 bum. Just grab it, grab that tree, and grab life. Bum 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 bum. And grab onto well, like you're swinging in the jungle, Tarzan and Jane style. I've lost the melody, not sure if I ever had it. Waterproof. It's okay. It's all good. Oh no! Must have got the not waterproof bit. Damn. Jungle. Surrender for you. Come on. What are creeks? Oh, what? Again. Dino claws fossil. That was a tadpole. They swim around and make spirals in the water. Spiral patterns. Beautiful. Let's go. Lord, very big. He's a bit scared right now. I'm not here to hurt you. Just showing how cool you are. Oh, there he goes. That's my boot. That's my boot. Yeah, get it. Get it, little boy. Fully sick. All terrain. Almost fell. Yeah. Grab it. Grab life. Grab life, baby. 2 hands. Best feeling. Water time. So thirsty. Technique. It's all about the technique. Wow, nothing like it. This quenching fizz. Nothing like it. It's down to here. Good effort. Good effort. Excellent, boy. Excellent, excellent. Water with coconut and a bit of pink salt. Very good for him. That is some of, if not the loudest thunder I have ever heard. What a thrill, what a thrill. I'd have to put one of my crowns on. Why, you ask? I'm not sure. Just because. For funsies. Because I summoned the storm. That's right. You heard it firsthand here first. Storm summoner. the very tops of mountains. So loud. I want to record the sound. Can't really see this one. It's rainbow with sparkles. I love storms. Love them. And I summoned this one, so, you know, it's a very special occasion. It just cracked again, so loud, super duper, magnificently, thundering, boomingly loud. Except, camera missed it. Not me. I didn't miss it. Whew. It's right. It sounds like it's a few meters above me. Wow. This is cool. And a little bit scary. Not really, because I summoned it. That's right. Yeah. What was that? Sounded like a kangaroo right outside. Right there. That or a wombat. Oh, now's the perfect time to tell you my wombat story. One night, cute. They can run so fast. You wouldn't think so, but they have got some speed to them. They do. Really fast. Storm. Sounds like it's calmed now, and it's just the rain pitter-pattering on the roof. But every now and then there's a big cracking of the thunder. Gives you a real fright. It does. Feeling alive. Braid there. Looks really good with your hair up in a bun. So much fun. Storm, I haven't heard the thunder for a while. There's lots of lightning going on though. No, I've really got to finish exporting. I've got to finish what I was doing. It's taken me a long time to do what I was doing. Finish editing it. Oh, I'm starting to feel something different coming in, different vibe. It's good. think it's the power of the storm. I think it's the power of the storm. So very bright out here. It's as though someone's turned on a light. Oh, they have. It's the moon. Beautiful